to the incredible. You don't wanna step to this.
Still think of what's my name?
You don't wanna step.
Here we go again.
Whoa.
The nigga buckle on my kids illegal. Pain as it in your brain, I'm going insane. Pound after pound, I can't stop on your brain. Pick up the poop at every journey with the loot. Don't try to walk with a switch, bitch, like you do. You just getting me sick, my dick, you ride on the regular. Penny had a dirt, and the ride, yeah, right. So fuck what you heard, it's about getting fit. In 1993, motherfucker, get your grip on.
In perspective, Mar, representative, call me the specialist, professional, professor at this rap science, I'm in the laboratory, that's why you small rhyme for me, the store-bought rap ain't shit, my category, is that upper insane man who strike back, I draw first blood, it's over with in that stack, you wanna square off the scene, slice that cat, you get splashed from back of your head, your ass crack, you searching for signs to the end, well I am that, which bring apocalypse to the game called rap, not a game but quite serious, and yo, in fact, you be running for dear life, so far you might fall off the map. Fuckin' with P, you need a cat. At least you had an opportunity to bust back. Push out the motherfucking pack of red word per man. Shook individuals bounce a blind fed. Scared of death, niggas fall to their worst fear. Horror tales and braille with vision impaired. You looking for beef, well you can find them everywhere. In a project near you, I'll be right there. I was brought up and taught to have no fear. Live wire niggas, they behind me in the red. Cowardly heart, step aside, stand clear. My bloodthirsty niggas got their eyes on you. QBC, line Bacardi, golf off of Wall 3.
This joint right here is going out to everybody who sound like me. All y'all niggas suck my balls one time. Suck my balls one time.
Straight up. Y'all can just get the fuck out now.
All y'all niggas suck my balls one time. Suck my balls one time.
Because I do some nasty shit while I'm up here.
motion is still. Let me move some things around because the lyrics is ill. Abstract, you know my Siggi D in here. Niggas get on and swear it's they fucking year. But yo, your girl just moved to the joint in the club in the carpet grooves. Bruh, look, the movement is on. Malvan and mommies and Victoria dolls. I get my rhyme on dust, guaranteed to make it right if your night is a bust. You vibrate and you fresh, you know. Original to say the least, and you've impressed. Come on, come on. Rappers start to install, finding it very hard to make it.